amazing.
He's coming.
This thing is pure madness.
Friday night in Holland.
Today is a holiday in Belgium. It's Friday morning. We're going to Holland for the weekend because we want to meet up with the Holland community. Things are growing, things are happening. Everybody is very motivated to go on a group ride this Saturday. So we're heading out there. It's about 3 to 4 hour drive if the traffic allows us to go smoothly. So we already packed 3 OneWheels. We have one Vesc from Goes. I have a CBXR. And we have a varial setup, and then we have a brand new setup for Goes, which is pretty awesome. Let me show you. This beast is a 7.1 inch tire, longer one wheel, should be solid, and we really hope that it's Goes proof this time. So let's have our fingers crossed that all things will turn out well and that the machine will keep on running. Just arrived in Holland at Noordwijk aan Zee. This is the place where we're going to be staying for 2 days. We have a little cabin 16 right here. This little place is ours for the weekend. So enter. Whoop. We have a small kitchen, a small living area, and Goes is probably already riding this very peculiar thing that we have here. It's something for gymnastics. One minor thing, we do have to sleep together, Goes. So this is the shack. OneWheels are ready. Although one-wheeling is not that legal in Holland. Well, it is legal, but you have to be insured, and there's no company that provides an insurance. So it's just not possible to one-wheel in Holland. But still, we managed to set up a group ride with the local community here, and we're meeting up with them tomorrow. But first off, we need to chill down. Tonight we have an appointment with Sam from Fat Daddy, who is also a one-wheel supplier here in Holland, and he has some very interesting stuff to share with us, so stay tuned. We're going for a little recognition tour because we're right down at the sea, so let's see if we can find the water. Baby! But yo, this feels like surfing! Goes is coming! Vesc baby! What a nice evening, and what a treat after that long of a drive just to come here, fresh air, sundown, have a little cruise here in Holland, although we're not quite sure if it's legal here, but what a treat! What a treat! What a treat! Ooh, check out the foam! Lots of foam at the beach. I always wonder what this stuff is. If you know how this stuff gets to the beach, please let me know because I'm very curious. Ooh, doggies! Ghost has too much pressure in the tires. I have pretty low pressure, low PSI, and very little issue, but with a higher pressure, it definitely is a difference. We got luck! Sand! Yeah! Just biting it in. Yeah. Let's get that Vesc tuned up. Currently we notice that the Vesc has way too much power for the sand and it just bites into the sand. The XR on the other hand is really soft on the tire and it easily eats the sand over here. Only in the uphill you have a little bit of issues, but otherwise the XR with the varials and the Hoosier T2 low PSI. And see if this helps with getting this machine out of the sand. Yeah, better. We got it. Feels so nice just like surfing down the sand, which is awesome. Down Vesc style. That's the cool thing about these Vesc machines is if you change the surface, you can immediately go into the settings and tune that stuff up to your liking. If you have too much power, you just lower it. There's just so many settings in there that you can tweak. On the other hand, on the Future Motion board, we have a lot less settings, but there it's really easy to flip from one setting to another. So that's the advantage on the Fusion Motion boards. So it all kind of depends on what you want, but it's looking like Vesc is getting tuned up to have some configurations in there that we can have on speed dial. So just wait it out a little bit and you'll see Vesc is coming. Goes found a mate for the weekend. Weep, weep, weep. Let's just enjoy this moment, take in the energy and charge the batteries for the group ride of tomorrow, because I think it's gonna be a heck of a crazy group ride. We have a crazy group tomorrow that we've gathered and it's gonna be bonkers. We just landed at Sam's place and Sam picked up some toys and Goes is already missing.
He's already missing.
So let's see what Goes is up to and where he's flying on.
He's coming, he's coming.
Fuck! Can't follow with one wheel, he's fucking faster! This thing is pure madness. The speed you pick up on this little bike is just insane. You really have to lean into it, otherwise... Friday night in Holland. Amazing! Got some pink skis going on.